Sanibonani bafundi. Namuhla sizokhuluma ngamabizo. Today we are going to talk about nouns. As you know that we've already covered them, some of you in class. Today I just wanted to make a video so that you at least you have a record of so that you can get like an idea of nouns in general. So sinezinhlobo zamabizo, we've got different types of nouns, of which today I just want to focus on these three: common noun, proper noun, and abstract noun. So common nouns are known as ibizomvana, and then an example can be isigqoko, which means hat. And then a proper noun is called ibizoko. And how do you identify amabizoko in isiZulu? It's very simple. You can see the U as our subject agreement link, and then Sipho is the name of a person, but then the S is in capital letter, Usipho. And then we've got abstract nouns, which is ibizosimo, and then an example can be ubuhle, ubuhle, which means beauty. Okay, so all these have got classifications in isiZulu. So I want us to talk about the classification of nouns in general. Okay, so every noun, ngesiZulu, wonke amabizo anesiphongozo. In other words, all the nouns we have in isiZulu have got what is known as a noun prefix. Now, a noun prefix is very important because it helps you to identify which noun class this word is, and if you are required, maybe in an exam or in a test, to change the particular noun into plural, then you know which plural to apply. Okay, which plural prefix to apply. So in general, now I'm noun prefixes. These are the noun prefixes that you guys need to know, because isiZulu we have got noun classes, okay, or noun prefixes. So every word is dedicated to a noun prefix. So noun prefix helps you to be able to change that word to a plural, or if you want to use it in a sentence, to know which subject agreement link to use. Okay, but then we'll cover the subject agreement links in another video. All right, so we have got noun class 1 and 2, 1A and 2A. These noun classes relate to people, okay? So or umu, an example can be umuntu, person, okay? The plural would be abantu. Okay, there is an exception that we're going to talk about later. Okay, and then we have got u. You can say udokotela, for an example, noun class 1A/2A. Udokotela, umama, ugogo, ubhuti. Now, all of those nouns that relate to people as well, their plural prefix is going to be o. Okay, so ugogo would be ogogo, ubhuti, obhuti. Okay, and then we have got the second cluster, like I said, guys. Right, now the second one refers to objects. Okay, so don't confuse the for noun class 1 and 2 with for noun class 3 and 4. Okay, noun class 1 and 2, you'll basically figure out that it's referring to a person, because you would get maybe a word like umuntu, umlungu, umaki. Okay, so all of those words refer to people. And then for objects, it can be umkhumbi, which has a plural for imikhumbi. The noun prefix is imi, okay? But we're going to cover that further for you guys I'm going to give you a list for you guys to know the words that have for people and for objects, okay? And then E for Ebola, that's the noun prefix for Ebola, Amabola, okay? Isi, right? Isi can be isicathulo, and then the noun prefix for the plural would be izicathulo, okay? Then we've got the third cluster, which can be both people and objects. And then the fourth one, these are your abstract nouns, okay? It's also referred to as nouns that do not have singular or plural, okay? Like ukudla, ubuhle, okay? All right. Okay, so here's the exception that I talked about. So umlungu, which falls under noun class 1, for umuntu, it cannot be abalungu because the plural noun prefix for umuntu, it's abantu. But then the exception here would be abelungu. Umlungu, abelungu. So that's the only exception that I wanted to talk about for now. Okay, so ubunye nobuningi, these are your singular and plural nouns, noun prefixes. So umu would be aba, except for the exception that I just showed you, right? And then I would be ama, isi, easy. In for inja would be izin, okay, izinja. U, izin, again, I'm going to talk about that later as well. And then ubu for ubuhle doesn't have a plural, okay? So izin for u has got words like, for an example, upau would be izimbau, ufutu izimfutu. So I'll give you further notes on that as well for you guys to learn. All right. So these are the words that do not have plurals. Ubuso, which means face, stays as ubuso. Okay. Ukudla stays the same as ukudla. Ubuhle, utshwala, amanzi. Okay. All of these words do not have plurals. Okay, so let's do a quick activity on the nouns that we've just talked about and the noun prefixes. Okay, so we have got the first one, igama. Igama, name. Okay, what would be the plural? Igama, amagama. Okay, we just using that table that I showed you guys earlier on for the singular, for both the singular and the plural nouns. Okay, isikole, isikole, school. The plural would be izikole. Umsebenzi, imisebenzi. Umndeni, okay, noun class imindeni, okay, imi. Umama, omama, just like I showed you guys. Idolopa, amadolopa. All right, so noun class and in should not be confused, because I saw some of you guys get confused when it comes to that noun class. Okay, like idolopa or ibola has got the noun class e, and then inja has got its own noun class, and the plural would be izinja. So how should you distinguish between those two noun classes, inja and Ebola, the I and the IN, you need to look at the first two letters. If the word starts with IN, then the plural, it's izin, okay? I am, it's izim, like imoto, izimoto, right? Ebola, amabola. So if it's I and then a different consonant like B, C, whatever consonant might be, except for M and N, then you are safe enough to write the plural, the noun prefix as ama. Okay. So, ngiyabonga kakhulu bafana, salani kahle.